Hey guys, this is Angad Singh Nakpal from ASN Cars and Tech. Welcome back to my new video. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my amazing updates. Please like this video and keep watching till the end. This question may arise in most of the computer users out there. Is it really required to install an antivirus in your computer? Is it really required to always buy a premium antivirus, or a free antivirus will do all that person's job? Is an antivirus really required in a Windows operating system? This video is an answer to all your questions, queries and doubts about antivirus. I will also cover some important points about the history of Windows. Without wasting a single minute, let's start today's interesting video. At first, let's talk about Windows XP, the most popular operating system. Even a child knows what a Windows XP is. Windows XP, truly a legend. But we all know, every coin has two sides. The cons of Windows XP. Let's talk about the cons. Frequent virus attacks. Like there were such viruses which used to delete your C drive completely. So your Windows is corrupted or it's gone. In late 1990s and early 2000s, during the times of Windows 98 and Windows XP, I don't think there was something like antivirus. Though there were many frequent virus attacks. Microsoft, the developer of Windows, had three things. Number one, the operating system. The Windows XP, the Windows 98, the Windows 7 basically. Number two, Microsoft Office, which we use till now. The Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel. The students were taught Microsoft Office in their computer lectures in school. The third thing was Internet Explorer, which is now known as the Microsoft Edge. Basically the browser to browse internet. If we talk about Microsoft, the founder of Windows, Microsoft did not have developed any type of antivirus. During those times, Microsoft was waiting for the right time, even though the users were facing many virus attacks. The third party antiviruses came, like the apps from internet. People used to download that for an antivirus. Basically, the funny thing, like when you buy a computer with Windows XP, the first thing you download is VLC Player, the very famous player for consumption of media, and the second thing in your computer was antivirus. But today, guys, the times have changed. Microsoft has its own full-fledged antivirus in its Windows 10 operating system, which is currently the latest in the market, the Windows 10. Microsoft's most recent operating system. Windows 10 has its own full-fledged antivirus named the Windows Defender. What I am going to tell you, I don't think anyone must have told you. Windows Defender, the name clearly states, defending your Windows. Yes guys, Windows Defender, though an antivirus, it only protects your Windows. It's a marketing strategy by Microsoft. It makes the Windows more stable, and the users which were tired by Windows XP because the Windows was not that stable, though being a legend, all the problems are solved in Windows 10. But it will not protect your other data. Your other drives may get affected by a virus, though there is Windows Defender activated. Now the question arises, is there really a need to install an antivirus? My clear answer is yes. you have to install an antivirus. A free antivirus or a premium one. A free antivirus for those who visit specific sites like Facebook, or they search something on Google and you open a site from HTTPS only, which is secured. I've explained about it in my previous video. Do watch that informative. The topic of that video is my all accounts got hacked. In that video, I have explained all of you how to prevent your accounts from hacking. The link of that video will be in the description. Please watch it after completing this video. So, a free antivirus for those people with specific site. Not for people like me. It's a danger for people like me because I am very tech savvy. I download stuff from even torrents. Maybe my computer gets affected from a virus. And if you are an office worker or a tech savvy person like me, you should go for a premium antivirus, no matter of which brand. But now, the main part of this video. Let me explain you the real truth of antivirus. I'm not trying to create any confusion, but what I think my audience needs to know everything about a specific topic which I explain. Antivirus for today. An antivirus only protects you from those viruses which are planned in your database. Maybe a new virus comes while I'm talking to you, while you're watching my video, and it affects your computer. An antivirus will not protect you. Your computer is gone. The viruses are evolving day by day. It's a world of technology. Even a disease can change the whole world economy. Why can't a virus can change the world of computers? This virus will come in the database on antivirus at least like next year. So next year this antivirus will be ready. So what my suggestion is, mostly people use a free antivirus because a premium is only for those who want online banking protection, and if you have many accounts logged into your computer, or if you do a very professional work, if you are a photo editor or a videographer, you need a professional premium antivirus. Let's end the video now. I hope all your doubts related to antivirus are cleared and you are now able to make a decision for yourself whether which antivirus should you go for. If you still have doubts related to cars or tech based on any topic, you can contact me on Instagram. I will be happy to help you. I also conduct weekly live sessions on my official Instagram handle, so do not forget to follow me there. Your questions will be answered as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. See you in the next one. Till then, always keep smiling.